15 minutes that can save your child's future. Or 2 girls, 2 mindsets. The secret power that builds champions. She was just 9, bright, an all-rounder. Teachers loved her, but one day she jumped from the school building. Nobody saw it coming. No one knew what was happening inside her mind. This is about a girl, a 9-year-old girl who jumped from a school building in North India. Shocking, right? An all-rounder. 1 week later, 2 parents called me. One of the kid is 13 and one of the kid is at 15. And there's a complaint saying that they have some affair with the classmates, and because of which they are not performing good in studies. The parents were confused and are asking me how to talk to them, because today the kids are very sensitive. And that made me to ask, what is shaping our children's mind today? We call them Gen Z. I call them comparison generation. They don't fight for marks. They fight for validation. Their classroom is Instagram. Their grades are like likes and follows. The tragedy. Even the best kids, toppers, performers, winners are losing the inner war because the mind is untrained. Now look at the Women's World Cup. 2 young girls became heroes of India. One was rejected, told she didn't belong. Another entered as a replacement for an injured player. Yet she carried India into the finals. Same pressure, same emotions, different mindsets. They trained pain into power, distraction into discipline. They didn't scroll through others' success. They built their own. Life does not break you, your reaction does. I wrote Miracle in 15 Minutes because I saw what happens when you neglect the mind. You don't need hours to transform your life. You need 15 focused minutes a day. Just 15 minutes a day. In 15 minutes, you can reprogram your thoughts, build emotional balance, develop focus that shields you from distractions. That's what champions do, and that's what our children must learn. I'll not blame the kids because they are not being trained. They've been influenced by the internet and been hacked. The mind is hacked, and that's the reason so many people are getting distracted, or some people even commit suicide. Parents, your children don't need your fear. They need your frame. Don't get panic when you hear about affairs at 13 or 15. Don't attack. Ask this question. What's influencing you today? Who do you admire and why? What's your vision for this week? Spend some time with your kids. Build their mindset before the world breaks it. The beauty about this book is it has got many life stories of people, how they've been transformed. And when you go through the book, you can relate with you. When you read and when your kids read, they understand how powerful the mind is. And if your teen is watching this, you don't have to delete social media, just dominate it. You don't need to chase validation, build vision. Every time you scroll for 15 minutes, you can grow for 15 minutes. The choice is yours. And through the same internet, we have our app called Miracle by Rapid Mind Power. And there's this beautiful pack for students, a student's pack. I can challenge anybody who's watching here to download it, make your kids listen just for 15 minutes to 30 minutes in a day. And if you don't see any difference in 10 days time, please ask for your money back. I'm just simply calculating this. How much money are you ready to spend for your kid in a day? Can it be less than 7 rupees? Yeah, that's what it cost for 1 year. In fact, it's a lifetime product, but even if you calculate for 1 year, you just pay less than 7 rupees for a day. Is it worth spending on your kid? I can challenge you. In 10 days, you can see how they grow mentally, physically, spiritually. Because the bottom line is your mind. And that's where many people have been weak. One 9-year-old girl lost her life because no one taught her how to handle her mind. 2 others made history because they mastered theirs. The difference isn't talent, it's training. Every day, you're 15 minutes away from either disaster or destiny. Choose your side. Again, my numbers are flashing here, and I always keep saying, you can call me, you can chat with me for any issues with your kids. And it's absolutely free. I don't charge for the call. I charge for my sessions. You can take a free advice from me if you are serious to make a difference in your kid's life. And again, you can also download the Miracle app, which is absolutely free. We don't charge for downloading the Miracle app. There are some free tracks also available in it. Go and download the Students Pack, which comes with a 10 days money back guarantee. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.